Whether you're planning a camping trip, a hike, or simply want to gear up for the great outdoors, having the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 camping and outdoor essentials that will upgrade your next adventure. Let's dive in. Number 1 is Bluetti Portable Power Station. Starting off strong, we have the Bluetti AC200L Portable Power Station. This powerhouse is an upgraded version of the AC200MAX, boasting an impressive 2400 watt output and expandable capacity up to 8,192 watt-hour with additional battery pack. It's perfect for long camping trips or off-grid living with a fast recharge time, 0 to 80% in just 45 minutes, with a C input or fully charged in about 2 hours with solar panels. Plus, with 11 versatile ports, including a 30-amp RV port, it's the ultimate solution for campers, RVers, and anyone who needs reliable power on the go. Number 2 is Lighting Ever LED Camping Lantern, your perfect lighting companion. With a brightness of up to 1,000 lumens, this lantern can easily illuminate your entire campsite or dim down for a cozy reading light. It features 4 lighting modes, including daylight, white, warm white, full brightness, and flashing perfect for any situation. Plus, with its 12-hour battery life and IPX4 water resistance, this lantern is ready to handle rainy nights or snowy adventures. And the hanging hook and removable cover make it super versatile for all your needs. Number 3 is RoverTac Multi-Tool Knife. No outdoor trip is complete without a reliable multi-tool, and the RoverTac Multi-Tool Axe is a true game-changer. This 14-in-1 multi-tool includes an axe, knife, pliers, saw, hammer, and more, all crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel. Whether you're fixing gear, preparing firewood, or popping open a bottle, this multi-tool does it all. It's compact, durable, and comes with a nylon sheath for easy portability. And with a lifetime warranty, you can trust it for years to come. It also makes a fantastic gift for dads, husbands, or anyone who loves the outdoors. Number 4 is Blavor Solar Charger Power Bank, a must-have for staying connected off the grid. This portable charger features USB-C20W fast charging and Qi wireless compatibility, allowing you to charge up to 3 devices at once. Its 10,000 mAh battery can charge an iPhone 15 up to 65% in just 30 minutes. And the solar charging feature is ideal for emergencies. Built for the outdoors, it's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof with a rugged design. And don't forget the built-in flashlight and compass, perfect for adventurers. Number 5 is Zippo FireFast Bellows, an essential tool for campfire enthusiasts. This lightweight device is designed with rugged plastic construction and a flame-retardant nozzle, providing optimal airflow to get your fire roaring in no time. Powered by double A batteries, the impeller-style fan ensures consistent performance, and the no-roll triangular shape is a simple yet effective design touch. Whether you're lighting a campfire, barbecue, or wood stove, this tool makes fire starting effortless.